Hello viewers, good morning. Namaste. This is Srikanth from Krishna Pulse from row number 36, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Our shop is located near to metro station. We are having 4 outlets in Hyderabad. One is in Charminar near to Patargatti, one is in Taj Krishna, one is in Novotel Hyderabad, and one is in Jubilee Hills. Today I am going to show a new collection of pearl offsets for the gifting purpose. For the gifting purpose, please have a look. This all for the gifting purpose. So those who are looking for the gifting purpose, so they can go something like this kind of designs, which starts from around 2000 rupees onwards. So I'll start showing one by one. Please have a look of this pearl half set. These are with the natural freshwater pearls, and you can see these pearls are perfectly graduated from the smaller to bigger size. It is triple layer, and you can see the quality of the pearls. It's very shiny, and there are some CZ stones in between to give more elegance to the pearls. And we sort according to the quality wise with perfectly shaped pearls, and you can see the alignment of the pearls is perfectly aligned so that it will not overlap one another each other. It is triple layer, and we got matching pair of earrings also for this. Please have a look of these earrings. It's having a detachable type of earring. Even you can wear only stud like this, and if you are going to any occasion, you can use a hanging like this. So detachable earrings, very nice option. Even for these earrings also, it has got CZ stones in it. So this is in 3 rows. We do have in 1 row, 2 rows, and 3 rows like this in at our location, Jubilee Hills. And this is around 18 inches of length, and I'll just show you how it looks when you wear it. See the elegance of these pearls. It's perfectly graduated from smaller to bigger size. It's a very good quality of freshwater pearls. Now I am going to show you another pearl half set. Please have a look of this. This is something different. It has got a huge pendant. Please have a look of this pendant. This is with the silver with gold polish with CZ stones, and you can see the design, how beautiful it is made. Here they use different types and different sizes of CZs, like oval and marquee shaped and round shape, and you can see the workmanship also. In future also you can remove this pearl string, you can add some bead stones necklaces into this, because having a big loop over here, so that you can have a other options. So to match with this pendant, here we use some CZ stones over here. You can see. And this is very reasonable price, which is only 13,500 rupees only. It has got matching pair of earrings also. Please have a look of these earrings. It's exactly matched with the pendant. So those who are looking for traditional kind of sets, they can go something like this. And now I am going to show another pearl half set, which is very good option for the gifting purpose. Please have a look of this pearl choker. You can see these pearls are button shaped pearls. Here there are different sizes of pearls, and you can see the workmanship was it's more difficult to do this kind of set. As you can see, the pearls are drilled here and here, so they have to string it with a hand. It's very nice workmanship, and you can see the CZ stones also in between the pearls at the bottom. Gives more good appearance for this set. And this, I'll show you how it looks when you wear it. You can wear it as like a necklace as well as like choker. And it has got all matching pair of earrings. Please have a look of these earrings. It's exactly matching pair for this. Even it has got option to wear only stud like this as well as hanging like this, so you can wear the two options, stud and hanging. And this is also very reasonable price, which is only 5,500 rupees. So those are looking for the gifting purpose, birthday present, anniversary present, they can give something like this kind of gifts. Like this, we got more collection at our store at road number 36, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Now I am going to show another very beautiful choker, pearl choker with the combination of CZ stones. Please have a look of this choker. It's totally handmade. As you can see, we used very good quality of pearls. You can see the shining of the pearls, and all the pearls are in equal in size, as you can see. So to make this choker, we sort according to the sizes and quality wise, and you can see the different shapes of CZs, colored CZs and white CZs. So at the bottom we have given drop shape of real natural freshwater pearls to give more good appearance for the choker. So in between the pearls, here we use some CZ stones to make it perfectly aligned for the pearls. And it has got a adjustable dory also, so that even you can adjust the length of this choker. Like this, we got more collection at our store, and it has got a matching pair of earrings also. Please have a look of these earrings. It's very beautiful earring. It's very nice piece. As you can see, even the drop also is matching with the choker. Even the CZ stones are also matching with this. This is also very reasonable price, which is only 12,500 rupees. So those are looking for traditional kind of pearl choker, they can go something like this. Now I am going to show another pearl fancy string. Please have a look of this pearl fancy string. This all with the natural freshwater pearls with creamish and white color pearls, multicolored pearls are there in this. So those who are looking for the office purpose, they can go something like this. It has got multiple strands. There are around 6 layers of pearl strings in this, and this is also very reasonable price, which is around 3,000 rupees only. Here they use different sizes and different shapes of pearls. It looks something different, and I'll just show you how it looks. And for this we got a matching pair of earring also. We have multiple options of earrings. Now I am going to show you a nice bangle pairs. Please have a look of these bangles. These are with the combination of stones, multicolored stones. This is set in silver with gold polish. As you can see, it's a set of 4 pieces. The price for the bangle is 5,500 rupees, and you can see how beautifully it is made. Here they used blue stone, coral and pearls and red stones. You can see the workmanship, how beautiful it is made. So you can wear 2 pairs like this, separate also. We have different sizes in this bangle. This is looking like a same like gold bangles. You can see the finishing of the bangles. Very neat finishing is there for the bangles. So this is having multicolor stone, so it will match with any kind of dress colors. Now I am going to show another pair of bangles. Please have a look of these bangles. This also with multiple stones, multicolors, with natural freshwater pearls in between. And you can see the neat finishing of the bangles, how beautiful it is made. Even it has got multiple colors like red, green, orange and blue color. So like this we got plenty of collection for the gifting purpose, and we are going to provide a nice packing box for the pearl offsets like this, which is dark chocolate color. It looks very nice when you pack this one. I'll just show you how it looks. See the beauty of this box. So it has got a earring option also in the here, so that you can put the earrings over here. So we are going to provide this kind of box, gifting box. Even if you want, we can wrap, gifting wrap. It's very nice box. And whatever you buy from us, you'll get authentic certificate like this. This is a guaranteed certificate. So whatever you buy, you'll get authentic certificate like this, which assures guaranteed purity, transparent billing, free lifetime maintenance, assured and exchange buyback. And we do have gold benefit scheme for the customers. So those interested, they can go for this gold benefit scheme, which is known as GBS, gold benefit scheme. It's actually 11 plus 1 month scheme, and the company is going to pay 1 month additional bonus. Apart from that, the customer will get additional benefits like this: straight away 30% discount on pearls, 20% on gemstones, 10% diamond, and 20% wastage, 30% making charges. So those who enroll into this GBS benefit scheme, they will get additional benefits like this. And we do have online website also, which is www.krishnapearl.com. Even the customer can directly buy through our online website also. Not only pearls, we do have silver articles in this website. And please save this number, which is 9248036721. Even through we do like video call facility for the customers. We can directly show our collection through video call. Please note down this number. If any inquiries there, please call to this number. We can directly show our collection through this number. And we do free shipping all over the India. And please follow our Instagram page, which is www.instagram.com/krishna.pearls.hyderabad. You can even follow our Instagram page. Right now, this is a pandemic situation. So we opening stop around morning 7 to 9 a.m. So those who want to visit our store, please, they can visit in between these timings. And please come to our store at road number 36, Jubilee, Hyderabad. Thank you for watching this live stream. Namaste.